SSA Group is an IT services and solution provider delivering full-cycle software development services. The company was founded in 2007 in Kharkiv. Striving for long-term cooperation, we have more than 200 clients worldwide. More than 200 specialists currently work in SSA Group throughout our offices and remotely.
I am so happy that I have been a part of the SSA Group team for almost 2 years. I am grateful for joining a supportive community with great people where is always an opportunity for professional growth. I enjoy the project I work for, it challenges me and encourages to gain new experience. In addition, SSA Group organizes team buildings with various activities to keep a work-life balance and improve team cohesion at the workplace. As a result, I am sure that everyone in the company feels motivated and satisfied.
Our R&D offices are located in Portugal, Poland, Argentina, Ukraine, Vietnam, Brazil, Philippines, and our sales offices are in the Netherlands and Canada. In 2018, we changed our recruitment strategy, focusing on involving only experienced IT consultants. As a result, now more than 80% of our employees are middle to and senior level specialists. Precisely, there are 54% of senior level professionals, 28% of middle 2, 15% of middle 1, and 3% of junior level specialists. The top 3 departments are data and desktop, fullstack.net, and mobile by the number of specialists.
In 2020, I started to work in SSA Group as a project manager in the mobile department. 4 years later, I was promoted to the head of department position. During this time, our team has created many exciting projects in various domain areas using different technologies. They were projects for event management, the hospitality industry, e-learning apps, social networks, business applications, apps for football clubs, and many others. All the projects I worked on were very interesting for me. They allowed me to make a full use of my knowledge and skills. SSA Group is a company where employees can grow professionally, enhance their technical expertise, and be part of team sharing common values, life perspectives, and work attitudes. SSA Group always fulfills its obligations to the employees and creates a comfortable atmosphere on every project to increase team productivity. Overcoming new challenges, opportunities for self-actualization and continuous improvement, and creating cutting-edge solutions that carry value to customers, that's what inspires me at my work.
SSA Group is one big team cooperating seamlessly. In the ever-evolving technology world, we put people first, cherishing transparency and openness. By promoting close cooperation within the teams and supporting team members seeking professional certifications, SSA Group encourages our colleagues to continue improving their skills and gaining new experience and insights. We offer regular performance reviews based on matrices of competence, code and peer reviews, and client feedback.
I joined SSA Group more than 5 years ago, and ever since I have enjoyed working in the company. My project has grown several times over years. We've employed agile techniques, moved from legacy approaches to modern frameworks, and the team continues its expansion, engaging new talents and knowledge areas. None of these remarkable results could be possible without the company's positive atmosphere and skillful management. This is the ideal place for those who are open to new ideas, love technology, and are eager for constant improvement. Needless to say that SSA Group successfully handles modern challenges, cares about employees' job security and work-life balance. And don't forget about all the pleasant bonuses you can expect: socializing events, holiday celebrations, conferences, and so forth. I invite you to join our team and discover the very best of you.